Hello guys, today we are going to remove that service icon from the all new Jupiter 110cc scooter. Let's switch off the scooter. Before switching on the scooter, you have to press that mode and setup button simultaneously. Press and hold tightly, then turn on the key and let's wait for 30 to 50 seconds until that symbol goes. This is the major, it's not a major problem, it's a minor problem. The service center will never remove that symbol. It should be done by us itself. Let's wait for another 10 seconds. Press and hold tightly. Don't remove your finger from the buttons. Here it goes. Look guys, here it goes. Let me show you by turn it off and turning on the key. Yeah, here it goes. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.